You join me back for another Wednesday's Works and another square piece we're going to be doing today in this week's video. A bit like last week's video, we're going to be using some blues and some blacks and some greys. So as per my last video, just quickly, I have pre-created a background with some burnt umber just to get that textured look. So as soon as we start going with the blues and the greys, that will add some depth into this piece. Follow along, stay tuned and give this one a like. Let's give this one a go, get some paint down and see how this turns out.
Sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly, and I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you. And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees. 'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do. And we will, when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. Every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you.
I'm going to end this one here. So overall, I'm quite happy. I was just trying to create some depth to this piece. Just really like the greys and the blues. Comment down below what you think. Have I gone a little bit too far trying to make it look as though it is the sky and the sea? So I hope you like this one. Thanks for watching. Stick around for next week and we'll be doing something completely different. Still abstract though. Hope you have a fantastic week, and you can catch me every Wednesday at 8 o'clock. I'll release a video. So yeah, catch you in the next one.
When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose